Didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't pull through? Now you hate yourself, you can look at me, look at me. You hate me.
And what up, what's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? Today we're about to be out. We going on a little vacay, little trip, going to enjoy some cars and just a relaxing weekend. So we got white Aaron going with us, and we also got black Aaron coming with us. And I think white Aaron's coming down tomorrow. He's gonna meet us there, but black Aaron's on his way here right now. So yeah, we're about to be going to Tahoe. You guys know that we probably go to Tahoe at least 2, 3, maybe 4 times a year, just depending on when we want to go. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna be heading out to Tahoe. We're gonna be going to hot, leaving her, going to hot August nights.
What?
All right, so first thing we're about to do is, you guys remember Granny had boofed her car. So what we're about to do is we're about to go to Copart, and I got parts in the back of her van that I need. So we're gonna take the Versa, that way we can fit the stuff in here, because I'll be damned if they keep my LS parts. I got a ported intake manifold, all that, so we definitely need that back. That's gonna be going on this 350Z. That's gonna be going on her car once I put that other LS3 in there. So I definitely need that. Her car should be roughly, I say between 475 and like 510 horsepower. Is gonna be the NA setup for Nita Z. All right, so here's Granny's old van. Boy, it's crazy they totaled it out. They literally totaled it. Talking about it was like 10 or 8 grand worth of work or some shit. Literally, only thing that looked like it happened was the exhaust. You can see right there, it has one of those slip fittings. Looked like the exhaust came off. I don't see why they totaled it, but hey, whatever. She's gonna go buy a new car, so it is what it is. As I'm looking under here, bruh, looks like the only thing that came off was the exhaust. So I don't know why they're trying to total this car. So this is the side that made impact. You can see the tire not even flat. And then when you actually look under here, look, tie rods, nothing's bent. Control arm isn't bent. There's no leaks. Pretty sure you can still start this up. Look, literally that's it. Is the exhaust is off. That's crazy. There's nothing wrong with this car. You know what I'm saying? Then we got here, we definitely can't leave these behind. This is the ported intake manifold, so ported throttle body, and then my oil cooler with my my fan. So this whole setup will be going on Nita's 350Z. All right, so just getting back home now. We're all loaded up and we're gonna get ready to head out. So Nita's gonna be driving, I'm gonna be taking the laptop, and I'm gonna be doing some editing while we're on the way there. So black Aaron just now getting ready to be on his way. I told him, I was like, bro, I'm not about to wait for you. I'm about to leave your ass. Like, I hate waiting on people. We're supposed to be leaving at like 11, no later than 12, and it's 12 and he barely getting ready to leave. I'm like, nah, bro. Like, we ain't doing that. I'm out. All right, just finished editing that video. See right here, saving now. Our home away from home, our other home. Then we got the haunted cabinet right there. Like, that thing's like real life haunted. See if the water level results Last time we came here, the water level was hella low. I'll make sure it's now that all the snow and stuff melts off the mountains. Hopefully it's back to like normal. How beautiful this is out here. Yeah, water still looks low. It's that drought. Oh, it's thundering. Dude, it looks even lower than last time. Look at it. Dude, the water used to be like, the water line used to be like where these chairs are.
I know.
It used to be like way up here. Look how far that is.
We have a nice floaty, that's cool.
Dude, this is insane. How are we gonna swim in this? At this rate, pretty soon I'm gonna be able to walk across the whole lake.
Right.
The first time we were here though, it was definitely over here where you can see the hard shells and stuff at. It was way back there. That is crazy. We need rain. Alright man, just to show y'all, look at this. It is currently 6:09 and Black Aaron still ain't here. Imagine if I would have sat there and waited for that boy. So I'm over here uploading this video right now that you guys are gonna be seeing. So Wi-Fi here it's kind of slow, so it's gonna take a second to load up, but it is on the way. Hours later, Black Aaron still ain't here. Hopefully his non-driving ass didn't fly off a cliff or something. You already know Aaron going like that. Not to fit the stereotype, but you know what I'm saying? You can't not like watermelon, bruh. You know he like watermelon. Alright, so I think I hear Aaron out here making all these noise. Boy drove all the way out here in the heat.
Sweat.
He naked.
Sweat. It was burning. Sweating.
Jeez, you look slimy.
Slimy. What's up, bruh?
What's up, bruh?
Gotta check something.
Boy, sweating. Look at her. She got the little sprayer fan. Where your little sprayer fan at? She got the.
Ran the fucking batteries.
She.
Oh, ran the batteries. I can't be out of here.
What happened?
I don't know, something in the steering. We turned, then that motherfucker skipped a little bit.
Look at the steering linkage.
Yeah.
Like the bolt still in there.
Alright.
Wiggle it side to side real quick. Why sound like the fuel pump's still on? Wiggle it side to side. Boy.
Boy. I already told him too, we had a malfunction. And just got here and that
This,
just happened.
bruh. This gotta come, yeah. Boy, you would've went off the mountain.
No, you should have felt. Hey, ask her. Ask her on the turn.
Y'all almost went off?
It skipped.
Hi,
The
what's
car,
it doing?
it was turning, and then it said it went straight and came
What's
back.
wrong? What they doing to you? I will.
Yeah, get that off.
You okay? That
I'm gonna take a shit. I'll be right back. Alright, man, so we actually been outside watching the sunset and shit. Hella nice. That fool Aaron was over there. Damn, bro, this shit crazy. You know what I'm saying? You understand me? Was coming from the prison walls. You know what I'm saying? And seeing shit like this, bro, shit crazy. It's all in his feelings. That's what happens when you get high. Look at a nice view. Over there smoking on the rocks and got in his feelings. All right. Aaron, my witness, he just
Bruh.
experienced some of the shit that I was telling y'all about.
Hey, the water was just running right now and cut off. Like they just washed their hands. I swear to God.
Hey, I was like, y'all hear that? He's like, oh shit. He said that she was in the bathroom, and he was like, oh, and he looked over and was like, nah, she ain't in there.
Yeah, she sleep. He trying to pay me to go outside after that, boy.
Yeah, I tried to pay Aaron to go in the house outside. Told him I'd give him what was that? What did I say? 300. I told him I'd give him 300. He's sleeping there with the GoPro.
I was thinking
and vlog it.
300 would have been nice.
Bro, you heard that water though.
That's just putting it back in my pocket. I'm cool. That water was just running.
You heard it too, right?
Yeah, I heard it. But you know how some houses have their noises. Like our house has.
Nigga, I can hear creaking. That was water running.
Water running, nigga. Come on.
What?
Now.
You didn't hear that?
Yeah, I did hear it.
What the fuck? What do you know what I'm saying? Houses just be having they natural creaks and it's like that was the whole faucet turning on and cutting off.
And I'm good, nigga.
Nigga, you drunk. Shut your stupid ass up. Out of pocket. You drunk.
I'm drunk as fuck, nigga.
Go to bed, nigga.
If I can.
Bigger box and hitting a single number, then going.
This nigga wobbling. Got him. Got him. You don't want that cup.